Well, might as well do this. This is a weather radar collection video. This is updated as of February the 1st. So we'll go from oldest to youngest here for the weather radios. Alright, so Radio Shack 12991 got his birthday present in 2017.
Forecast for
Still works like a charm. Now, the radio next to it, this has an interesting story.
lows are
So this is the middle of WR120 EZ. I had the B version of this in 2016. And needless to say that I don't think I was going to get this radio back ever again.
for 20.
Just making sure. But yeah, this is the radio. This is the middle of WR120. This has an interesting story. I had this. This is the radio since 2016. I'm contaminated in its legacy. Believe it or not. Boy, I have some good memories of this. I mean, I still have good memories of this now.
Standard time.
Alright, next up. 12262. Got this in July of 2019. Had this, and it's still working, just that it doesn't receive alerts that often anymore. I don't know why. Alright, next up. This guy. Eton Scorpion 2. This is probably the first weather radio this is the second weather radio that has
The wind was south.
like a handheld that has AM FM band on it. I'm not gonna turn it up loud. But yeah, look. What? I just want monitoring 1071. I have no idea what these stations are. Also, 1510 was Nashville, by the way. Alright, next up is Eton FRX3. Maybe wondering what's with the antenna. Well, the original antenna is on the 12262. The 12262's antenna is on the FRX3. So, because I did an antenna swap, and this is getting listen.
For Indiana, temperatures and precipitation are forecast to be normal.
Getting
For
it flawlessly.
Tennessee, temperatures and precipitation are forecast to be normal.
Also, with the 120,
outlook is updated on NOAA weather.
IDX WNG 732 from Morristown, Tennessee. Very interesting. Very interesting indeed. Put this antenna back a little bit. There we go.
Link.
Alright, so. Alright, next up. Oh, yeah. The Running Snail MD 319 is not here with us anymore. Mainly because this is a trade. I had that one since November of last year. Shit, it's falling over. Alright, next up. So, now we go to Midland WR400.
Tree damage are possible due to
Got this in 2021 of September. Very good radio, indeed.
level conditions. Winter storm watch now in effect from Thursday morning. What? Heavy rain changing to sleet and snow.
I get channel 7 and channel 1 flawlessly with this thing. Great radio, I highly recommend it. Alright, now we move on to the FRX2. This is a small little handheld that I got. And I think November? Yeah, November of last year. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I was rudely interrupted.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and/or hazards in East Central Kentucky. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Tuesday between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. local time, and every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the until the next available non-severe or hazard day. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office in Louisville from a transmitter in Lexington on a frequency of 162.4 megahertz, with a rebroadcast through a transmitter in Madison County on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings affecting the following counties. In East Central Kentucky, Anderson, Bourbon, Boyle, Clark, Fayette, Garrett, Harrison, Chethamon,
You activated.
Mercer, Montgomery, Nicholas, Scott, and Woodford. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. The following is a winter storm watch for the following county, Montgomery, Kentucky. What? Heavy.
Alright. Back to what I was doing. Alright, so after I was rudely interrupted, but that will count as an EAS. I mean, EAS is because I also got this on Channel 6.
Through Friday morning.
Okay, stop losing signal.
The following impacts are expected: power outages and tree.
Alright, anyways. I'll probably count. Alright, that radio's gonna be next, actually. This radio right here, my alarm clock. I counted that one in an EAS, though. That's in a couple of EAS, though. That's the thing. I'll get that one in a minute. This is the Eton FRX2. I got this radio in November of last year. Really cool radio. Just the one problem is the signal. That's my only problem with it. Alright, now we're going to go to my alarm clock. Well, this is the on... What model is this? Hold up, I might be able to get it here. Alright, this is the ONN model. Does it say the model here? Hold up. Aha. The ONN ONA 15 AV101. Now, this is just an AM FM radio, but I haven't used it in my... This is not working anymore. No, it doesn't. Well, this used to work, but I don't know I don't know what happened to it though. Oh, there it goes. I have to hold the button down. I've had this clock since I think 2017, 2018. I'm not so sure, but it's a pretty good alarm clock. It used to wake me up in the morning, but now the W400 with its alarm clock feature wakes me up. Alright, next up, in the last radio, the Running Snail MD096. This is a small little radio as well.
Highs in the mid-30s.
I only had KIH41 with an WWG71. It was rebroadcast on 4. Well, I might be able to get it.
The look at conditions across the area at 6 p.m. Your best source for 24-hour-a-day weather information. The
There's
station
also
is
the AM FM, which I'm
KIH40.
going to turn down. Hold up. Hold up. Let me see if 840 is testing.
Radio 840, double arrival vehicle. Waiting your local vehicle. That's the person. Degrees.
I had to avoid copyright here.
They would have lost it. Whether you right, so we're all good. So good. No thanks. When we come back, we'll relive Kentucky, Kansas. A little bit later on, John Wong and Daryl.
I know a lot. Don't judge me. Alright. That was a pretty hectic weather radio collection video. We got an RWT out of it though. That's a plus sign. Now I gotta figure out when AM/FM stations are testing. Especially my station. Okay. You stop.
AM Thursday. Louis, Kentucky. The statement is watch for the following counties.
Alright, that's gonna be it. I'll probably upload it more tomorrow or something. Actually, no, I can't upload tomorrow because it doesn't have school.
Scott.
But have a good day, and I'll talk to you later.